Guangdong Cowest Machinery Equipment Limited was established in 2008. It is a professional vacuum handling equipment research and development, production, sales and service in one manufacturing enterprise. We have our own R&D team and core product technology, and have obtained more than 30 product patents, and are exported to Europe, America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia and other regions around the world. Each of our products has passed the Utility Model Patent Certification (CE certification), Machinery Directive Attestation of Conformity. We have a series of products such as glass installation robot and glass vacuum lifter, which WSR400 Mini is the smallest and the most compact robot in WSR series. The maximum rated loading 400 kilograms. WSR600M is a multiple functions robot for construction site works. The machine can be used for multiple works by change the attachments through a quick change coupling. Now we have suction cup, winch, forks, hydraulic clamp for option. WSR800LA is the latest model, which has complete functions necessary for glass installation, and all movements control adjust D to the optimized conditions. The maximum rated loading 800 kilograms. SR series, which is the vacuum attachment, is special for glass installation on the telehandler like Manitou, Man etc. The attachment has all necessary functions like grab, tilting, rotating, side turning, side shift and extending are wireless remote controlled. The maximum car power city could be 3,000 kilograms. The glass vacuum lifter series includes Glass Boy, RDS 2000, RDS for curved glass, RDS 10T, etc. Among them, RDS 10T set a new record as the world's largest 12-ton glass vacuum lifter. Our products have been used in many large construction projects and have been well recognized. For example, the super high glass curtain wall of Taikang Life Tower in Beijing, the whole of which was installed using glass lifting equipment produced by Cowest Machinery, and broke the record of the largest lifted glass with 50.869 square meters of glass.